Welcome back to Overheat. Honda Brio 2025 is sleeker, more athletic look. Compared to its predecessor, the Honda Brio 2025 has a more modern and athletic look. Among the notable alterations that you can observe are external grille. The automobile appears more robust and contemporary thanks to the larger and more aggressive front grille design. Lights. A more appealing appearance is produced by the employment of sharper LED lights and a modern rear light design. Body kit. The Brio 2025 appears sportier and more aerodynamic when a body kit is added to a few different models. Inside dashboard. A more contemporary dashboard that makes use of better materials. Touch screen. For a more advanced infotainment system, a bigger touch screen was integrated. Features. Several new features have been included, including a back camera, smartphone connectivity, and more comprehensive safety features. Dependability and effectiveness in performance. The 1.2L engine, which is renowned for its fuel efficiency, is still used in the 2025 Honda Brio. Nonetheless, this engine's performance is said to be more powerful and responsive after a number of enhancements. Engine. A 1.2L i-VTEC engine that is both powerful and efficient. Transmission options include CVT continuously variable transmission with Earth Dreams technology and a 5-speed manual transmission. Suspension. Improved handling and maximum ride comfort are achieved with a retuned suspension. Featured features. The Honda Brio 2025 has a number of excellent features that enhance the fun and safety of your driving. Among these characteristics are, safety features include seatbelt reminders, ABS+EBD, dual SRS airbags, and Isofix. Infotainment System, Bluetooth, USB, touchscreen, and smartphone connectivity. Convenience features include central locking, power windows, digital air conditioning, and an audio-controlled steering wheel. In conclusion, for those of you searching for a hatchback vehicle with a sleek appearance, dependable performance, and all the features you need, the Honda Brio 2025 is the ideal option. This vehicle is ideal for both long-distance driving and daily mobility in cities.